Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn AWS is providing the 50% off in AWS certification exam vouchers 2025. That is for AI, data and machine learning certification guide. So there is a link. We will go through the step-by-step process for the through the link. So open this link. So there is AWS and AWS Training and Certification is there. So join the AWS AI and ML and get certified challenge. Okay. So save 50% on your exam access comprehensive exam prep. So get your discount. So power your future with the AWS AI certification. The intersection is AI business is the fundamentally refreshing your work, and these are the other details are there. Why we get AWS certified? This is the main question. So this certification challenge offer three distinct paths to advance your AI ML skill. Industry recognized certification is there. So if you go through the certification, you can find where anywhere about the detail about the certification. These are the globally recognized certification are there. So it with the 80% of certified professional reporting improve on the job efficiency and 83 reporting greater effectiveness. So our certified professional are reported 81% higher quality work, 79 great workplace influence, and 77% enhanced innovative capability. So you can start your journey with the clicking with this, and there is a three parts is there. Choose your part to AI. So AWS certified AI, AWS certified ML, and AWS certified data. So these are the three you can choose your, and your certification journey include 50% of AI certification, AI, ML, and data. So you'll get all three. You'll get a 50% off on that. So power of the certification, you can go through that and join the challenge and save 50%. And the certification includes the channel challenge. So this is the 1, 2 and 3. These are the three certification. So AI, DL and ML. So all are associated level certification, and approx associated level certification cost will be the $100. Okay. So you can go through that, and you can go through the frequently asked question. So here is the click here to join on this. So you can submit all the details. So you need the business email address. I am the AWS partner, yes or no. Then other details you have to provide. And I'm completing this from the connecting with my business interest or personal interest. You can give and you can submit your detail. So all are done. You can register with that and join the AWS AI ML to get certified challenge. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.